Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm gonna share with you a very simple topics, and this topic is too much crucial for our daily life. Speaking English, so don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us and me. So this is time for let's begin. Or if you want to my full content, that time you will be follow or subscribe for my channel through my bell button. So this is time for let's begin. Fluent in English, just 1 hour a day with a step-by-step process. Most of the people they are searching like google.com, how can I fluent in English, or they are searching youtube.com, how can I fluent in English just 1 hour a day, but they can't find a solution. Exactly in this video I'm going to with you a better solution for a fluent English in just 1 hour a day if you spend. So this is time for let's begin. Fluent English doesn't mean perfect English. Fluent English mean you can express your thought without fear, and this is too much crucial. To fear speak any kind of people like in front of people. Example like that. Broken English is perfect but slant, and perfect English is broken but confident. Like I know understand grammar, and I don't know understand grammar. I'm learning English. This is called perfect English. And so now I will show you exactly 20 minutes hour a day or 1 hour a day. If you have spent your life, that time you will be able to more fluent in English without any kind of fairness. So number one is 20 minutes speaking. Number two is 20 minutes listening and repeating, like listening and repeating, and 20 minutes speaking. This is too much crucial. This is too much crucial for learning speaking English. Fearless English is too much crucial because everyone who wants to fearless English speaker, because this is called a confidence and this is called a practice. So you must have practice with fearless, practice with confidence for about learning speaking English. So number one part is speaking practice like 20 minutes. So you just need 20 minutes a day, like per sentence 5 minutes, like repeat loudly 3 times. Is repeat after me. Number one is I'm learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. Please repeat after me now. It's your turn. I'm learning English every day. Number two is I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. Please repeat after me. Number three is I'm not afraid of mistake. I'm not afraid of mistake. I'm not afraid of mistake. Number four is English is becoming easy for me. English is becoming easy for me. English is becoming easy for me. You just practice with me and repeat after me. English is becoming easy for me. Number two is today, now, and tomorrow. Speaking 10 minutes. Today, now, and tomorrow. Today means past tense. You have passed. This is called a to past tense. Also, you have some kind of work that already have been passed. Like today, I woke up early in the morning. Today, I woke up early in the morning. Number two is I had breakfast. I had breakfast. It's already done or it's already past. I watched an English movie. I watched an English movie. This is called a past. And now is present. Like I'm watching this video. I'm watching this video. I'm watching ing. This is called a present tense. I am watching this video. Number two is I'm practicing English. I'm practicing English. This is called a ing included. That's why this is called a present tense. Which is running right now. This is called a present tense. Number three is I'm focusing on my speaking. I'm focusing on my speaking. And this is called for tomorrow. Tomorrow means a future tense. Like tomorrow I'll practice English again. Tomorrow I will practice English again. Tomorrow I will practice English again. Please repeat after me. Tomorrow I will practice English again because it will happen on future time. That's why this is called future tense. Tomorrow I will practice English again and I will speak more confidently. I will speak more confidently. I will speak more confidently. This sentence will happen tomorrow. I will speak English more confidently. Number three is I will improve step by step. I will improve step by step. I will improve step by step. This is called a future tense. And number three is expand your sentence 5 minutes. Expand your sentence as 5 minutes. Like start small, grow slowly. Start small, but grow will slowly. Like I learn English, or I'm learning English. I learn English. I learning English daily. I learn English daily. Number three is I learn English daily to improve my future. I learn English daily to improve my future. I learn English daily because I want better opportunities. I learning English daily because I want better opportunities. This is called a speaking practice time without fear, just 20 minutes a day. And part 4 is next 20 minutes is fixed for listen and repeat. Like shadow speaking method, like listen to one sentences and this sentence will pause and repeat exactly and repeat naturally. Example sentence like this: that sound interesting. That sound interesting. I'm working on improving my English. I am working on improving my English. Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. Let me think about it. Let me think. Let me think about it. Practice like natural, not robotic. Replace one word method, like I'm learning English. This is your main word and you will say I'm learning English daily. I'm learning English daily, or I'm learning English at home. I'm learning English for my career. I'm learning English to improve my future. This is called a practice, and this is called a frequently practice. The prayerless practice is better than prayer practice. So you must have prayerless practice. And the final 20 minutes is free speaking. Like describe about yourself. Who are you? Where you are from? What you are doing? What do you live in? What's your qualification? What's your educational status? What kind of job do you right now? This is called a fearless 20-minute speaking. Like firstly, like this is called real life practice. Like in front of your camera practice or mirror practice. Like, hi, today I feel motivated because I'm learning English, or I'm watching learning English videos, or because it is important for my future, or I know I make mistakes but I'm learning every day. Because mistake, I hope that you're trying, so mistake doesn't stop your journey. You must have keep going, because mistake are proof that you are trying to do a new thing. That's why you have mistake. So mistake is a very common issue about this kind of new language. Number 2 is question and answer speaking. Like, who are you? Hello everyone, my name is Shishir. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh, and I'm creating content for improving my English. Also, I strongly believe that my audience and viewers, they will also improve their English speaking journey. That's why I'm creating this kind of content. And number 2 is why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? I am learning English because I want to better career and global opportunities. I want to learn English because I want to better career and global opportunities. That's why I'm learning English. Number two question is what do you do every day? What do you do every day? I work or study during the day. I work or study during the day, and at night I practice English. And at night I practice English. Number 3 is, what is your goal? My goal is speak English fluently and confidently. My goal is speak English fluently and confidently. And this is called a very crucial part. Like part 6 is how 1 hour a day remove my fear. Now I'm sharing with you. Before fear, long pauses and overthinking. After 30 days you will get confidence, you will smooth sentences, and you will get to speak natural flow. Like fear disappears when speaking becomes a habit. That's time fear will go, fear will go, fear will gone. And part 7 is the 30-day 1 hour English plan. Just number 1 week, you just short sentences. Example like, I'm learning English, I practice daily. This is called a short sentence with 2 long sentences. Like, I practice English daily to improve my career. I practice English daily to improve my confidence. And week 3 is, I think English is a very useful skill. I think English is a very useful skill. That's why I'm learning skill. Natural conversation. In my opinion, learning English opens many doors in life. In my opinion, learning English opens many doors in life. Part 6 common mistake. I will speak when I'm fluent. I will speak when I feel I'm fluent, and speak become fluent. So you must have practice, because fluence after comes practice. Without practice you can't get any kind of fluency. That's why it's too much crucial to practice about speaking English. Number 2 is, my pronunciation is bad. My pronunciation is bad. My pronunciation is too much bad. This is called a better English. Like, clarity is more important than accent. Clarity is more important than accent. And this is called a final message for my dear audience and viewers. 1 hour a day may look small, but after 30 days your English will surprise you. Believe me, your English definitely will surprise you. So thank you everyone for watching this kind of content. I can't prolong this content, and I strongly believe that this content will be helpful for your English speaking journey. So don't waste your time. You just start your language. Like, describe your dream, describe your goal and feelings in English. So if you feel that this content will be helpful for your English speaking journey, you can follow or subscribe my channel.